Hello Kickserv friends! Today I'll tell you how to save a little time when adding multiple job charges. When you are adding charges to a job, you can mark the option Create another charge in order to keep that window open and add multiple charges without having to reopen it again. Look, I check the option, I'm gonna select a charge, and when I click on Add Charge, the form stays open and ready to add another charge. I'm gonna add another one, add charge, and here we have it, blank again. There is just one exception. If you are editing a recurring job, such as this one, this option won't appear because the platform will ask you if you want to make the same changes across every job in the series. Look, I'm gonna add a charge, the option doesn't appear in here, and when I click Add Charge, the platform is going to ask me if I want to add this charge to only this job or to the following jobs. Well, this will be all for now. Thanks for watching again. Give us a like and subscribe. Goodbye.